Hello, welcome to our group video presentation. My name is Karmadoji, enrollment number 03200113, and I'll be presenting on the main issue of JP Morgan Chase and Company. The main problem or issue that needs to be understood in the case of JP Morgan Chase and Company is how JP Morgan Chase can best utilize open banking to maintain its competitive edge in the market and provide better financial services to its customers. The company needs to understand how to leverage its existing data and technology capabilities to integrate with third-party providers and offer personalized, value-added services to its customers. Additionally, the challenge is to find the right balance between openness and security, thereby maximizing the benefits of open banking while minimizing its risks and drawbacks. JP Morgan Chase and Company open banking case involves the bank's initiative to collaborate with third-party fintech firms and tech startups to develop innovative financial products and services through its API application programming interface platform. By partnering with outside firms, JP Morgan hoped to expand its customer base, boost revenue, and stay competitive in a rapidly changing industry. The main problem or issue that needs to be solved or understood in this case are: Number 1. Data security and privacy. JP Morgan Chase and Company has expressed concern about data security and privacy when adopting open banking in their system, which requires them to grant third-party financial service providers access to customer data. Number 2. Regulatory compliance. Open banking initiatives are subject to evolving regulatory frameworks, which require JP Morgan Chase and Company to navigate complex regulatory requirements to ensure compliance with the open banking system. Number 3. Technical integration. Integrating with third-party providers and developing the necessary technical infrastructure for open banking can be complex. Therefore, JP Morgan Chase and Company may need to invest in scalable and flexible technology systems. Number 4. Customer trust and education. Open banking involves sharing sensitive financial information with authorized third parties and requires JP Morgan Chase and Company in building and maintaining customer trust, which is very crucial. Number 5. Competition and market positioning. Open banking promotes competition by allowing new entrants to offer innovative financial services. JP Morgan Chase and Company may need to assist its market positioning and identify opportunities to differentiate itself in the open banking landscape if it wants to embrace the open banking in their system.
Financial services company that provides a wide range of services to corporations, governments, and individuals. JP Morgan Chase and Corporation has a long and storied history that dates back to 1799 when it was founded as the Manhattan Company. Over the years, the bank has grown through mergers and acquisitions, becoming one of the key players in American banking industry. One significant merger in the bank's history occurred in the year 2000 when Chase Manhattan Corporation merged with JP Morgan and Corporation to form JP Morgan Chase and Corporation. This merger brought together two iconic institutions with extensive histories in banking and finance. JP Morgan and Corporation traced its root back to 1871 and was known for its investment banking and asset management expertise, while Chase Manhattan Corporation was a major commercial banking institutions. JP Morgan Chase and Corporations operates in various segments including consumer and community banking, corporate and investment banking, commercial banking, and asset and wealth management. It serves millions of customers globally and has significant presence in the United States. So, let me brief something on the history that is extracted from the case. JPMC was an American financial service company offering multitude of services in retail banking, investment banking, asset banking, and wealth management. JPMC was a leading American financial services company offering a wide range of services in retail banking, investment banking, asset management, and wealth management. It held the top position as the largest bank in the United States in 2019 and ranked 6th globally in terms of total assets. To navigate challenging business conditions, JPMC embraced technology and innovation, investing billions in recent years. With a workforce of over 40,000 technologists, the company focused on programming, system engineering, app design, and related functions. It operated 31 data centers, maintained 67,000 physical servers, and utilized 27,920 databases, along with a global network to serve clients. JPMC established a dedicated digital group responsible for product and platform design and innovation. Among its initiatives, the Consumer Digital Initiative aimed to enhance the mobile app and website user experience with over 20,000 million active Chase mobile customers. JPMC observed a general shift towards online and mobile banking among its clientele. And next we have the current situations. We will go through the current situations of JP Morgan Chase Incorporations. So firstly, I'll talk about the open banking concept. What is open banking concept? It is a concept that seeks to enhance competition and innovation in the financial industry by allowing customers to share their banking data securely with third-party providers. And what does it enable? It enables these third-party providers to develop new financial products and services that can benefit consumers. While open banking initiatives have gained traction in several countries, the United States has been relatively slower in adopting this concept. However, there have been efforts to promote open banking in the country, driven by regulatory changes and market demand for more accessible and innovation financial services. In the case of JP Morgan Chase Incorporation, as of September 2021, the bank had not embraced open banking fully. So however, it has recognized the importance of collaboration with fintech firms and has partnered with various technology companies to enhance its digital offering. For example, the bank has collaborated with fintech firms like Pleat and OnDeck to leverage their capabilities and provide customers with improved digital experience. And furthermore, JP Morgan Chase Incorporation invests heavily in technology and digital transformation initiatives to enhance its own digital banking capabilities. The bank has developed mobile apps and online platforms to provide customers with convenient access to their accounts and a range of financial.
Hello, my name is Karmadoji, holding class enrollment number 115, and I will present on the solutions based on the weakness we have mentioned. Number 1, standard cybersecurity measures. Number 2, regular system testing and maintenance. Number 3, cost optimization measures. And number 4, benchmarking and industry best practices. Number 1, standard cybersecurity measures. JP Morgan Chase should prioritize enhancing its cybersecurity infrastructure and protocols to address the errors and security issues in its internet-based framework. This can involve conducting regular security audits, implementing advanced encryption techniques, and employing robust intrusion detections and prevention systems. Additionally, the organization should invest in employee training to raise awareness about security best practices and ensure a strong security culture within the company. Number 2, regular testing and maintenance. To mitigate errors and vulnerabilities in the internet-based framework, JP Morgan Chase should establish a rigid testing and maintenance schedule. Regular system testing can identify and rectify any weaknesses or bugs in the system, ensuring its reliability and reducing the chance of errors and security breaches. Implementing automatic monitoring system can also help detect and resolve issues proactively. Number 3, cost optimization measures. JP Morgan Chase should conduct a comprehensive review of its operational expenses to identify areas where costs can be optimized. This can involve streamlining process, identifying inefficiency, and leveraging technology to automate annual tasks. By reducing functional expenses, the organization can improve its cost competitiveness and allocate resources to more strategic initiatives. And number 4, benchmarking and industry best practices. JP Morgan Chase should conduct benchmarking exercise to compare its functional expenses with industry norms and identifying areas where improvement can be made. By studying industry best practices, the organization can learn from the other successful institutions and implement strategies that have proven to be effectiveness in reducing cost and improving competitiveness.
Hello everyone, my name is Jimmy Wanshu and my enrollment number is 0320098. So I'll be discussing about the concepts that we have drawn after reading the case study of JP Morgan Chase and Go Open Banking. The concepts that can be applied to banking concepts and practices as well as real-time situations, particularly in Bhutan, are number 1, embracing open banking, number 2, technological advancement, number 3, regulatory considerations. Number 1, embracing open banking. The case highlights the importance of embracing open banking, which involves sharing customer data and opening up banking systems to third-party developers. Open banking promotes innovation, competition, and enhances customer experience. Adopting open banking concepts will help Bhutan create a more dynamic and customer-centric financial ecosystem. And number 2 is technological advancements. The case highlights the role of technology in transforming the banking sector. JP Morgan Chase invests in digital platforms, APIs, and advanced analytics to simplify operations and create new services. Bhutan can use technological advancements to extend digital banking services, modernize banking infrastructure, and promote financial inclusion across the country. And number 3 is regulatory considerations. The case highlights the need for strong regulations and data protection measures in the context of open banking. Bhutanese regulators can learn from the experience of other nations to develop a regulatory framework that ensures data privacy and security while encouraging innovation and competition in the banking industry. So finally, by implementing these ideas into practices, Bhutan's banking sector may enhance its service and encourage financial inclusion and support the nation's economic growth and development. Thank you.